Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So here we are again with another question related to designing of a combination of logic gates to give us a particular Boolean output. And so far we have discussed around 3 or 4 questions, and in all those questions there were only 2 or 3 signal values involved. But here we have taken a question which is a simple one. The expression is simple, but it involves 4 signal values. Okay, so let us do it. So let us design the logic gate. So for that we have to assign the individual signal values. 4 signals are there: A, B, C and D. Now we have to determine which logic gates will be required here. So here the whole inverter operation or NOT operation over this expression, it clearly means a NOT gate will be required. This multiplication of A with B and whole with C plus D, it means AND gates will be required. And then this C plus D, this plus indicates a OR gate will also be required. Okay, so first let us get the individual terms. First let us get AB. So for that we have to give the signal A and B to a 2 input AND gate. We get AB. Then C and D to a 2 input OR gate to get C plus D. So we got AB and C plus D. These two signal levels are ANDed together, they are multiplied. So again we have to provide them to a 2 input AND gate. Which will get the output as AB whole multiplied or ANDed with C plus D. But this is not the output we require. We require the inverted output, so we will pass it through a NOT gate or inverter, which will give us the required output, which is AB into C plus D whole power. This is the output which we require. Okay, this is the output. So again it's very simple. First determine which logic gates are required, then target to get the individual terms. Here the individual terms, breaking it into simpler forms, it will be AB and C plus D, then combining them together using the logic gates which are required, and then we finally got the output. Okay, so here is another simple expression, but it involves 4 signal values. Okay, A, B, C and D. So here is another question which involves 4 signal values, again A, B, C and D, and we have to implement it using a combination of digital logic gates. So again the 4 signal values we have to assign A, B, C and D. Then we have to determine which logic gates are required. Here the NOT operation or inversion operation is present, so a NOT gate will be required. AND operation is there, A bar B and whole this A bar B plus C ANDed with D bar, so AND gate will be required, and this plus sign, it indicates OR operation, so OR gate will also be required. So the 3 basic gates. So first let us target the individual terms, the group of terms, and then the whole term. First A bar B. So in order to get A bar B, first we have to pass the signal A through an inverter to get A bar, then we have to AND it with B to get A bar B. A bar B. Then A bar B or C, this plus indicates OR. So A bar B or C means these two signals, they have to be passed through a OR gate. A bar B or C. Now A bar B or C is ANDed with D bar. Okay, so first we have to get D bar here. It means we have to pass it through an inverter or NOT gate to get D bar, and then these two signals A bar B or C and D bar, we have to give it to a 2 input AND gate. 2 input AND gate. So we get A bar B or C D bar. It's the final output. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Again, the same principle we applied. First we assigned the signal values which are involved, then we determined which logic gates are required, then we targeted the individual terms. Okay, here in this case first we targeted A bar B, then A bar B plus C or OR C, then with D bar the AND operation, which we finally got the output. Okay, so here is another question involving 4 signal values. The expression is simple, but just to make you understand how to handle different or multiple signal values, I took up this simple question. Okay.